Tear the roof off the sucker. Tear the roof off, we're gonna tear the roof off the mother sucker. Tear the roof off the sucker. Tear the roof off.
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Today we're going to be making sweet chili crispy shredded beef. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
Let's get it started in here.
To start, show your meat who is in charge, then proceed to slice into thin strips. Next, add your steak strips to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 egg. Mix this together thoroughly, pop in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and let it marinate. After 30 minutes, add 1/4 cup of corn flour to the mix, and mix again thoroughly. Add oil to a pan, around a cup of peanut oil. Place your beef strips in gently, and allow them to fry until golden brown. Bash up some veg.
Jesus, man!
Yummy!
Add onion and pepper to the same pan you fried your beef strips in, with a little bit of oil left in the bottom. This will add to the flavour. Fry them off lightly. Add your beef. Add in your sweet chili sauce. There'll be a link for that in the corner and in the description. Now to plate up, put some rice on the bottom, beef on the top, some fresh chili to garnish. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta and farewell.